open PicsArt tab. Now tap on this plus icon. Now select this backgrounds option. Now select this third circle white color. The first step, select the tools option. Now select the crop option. Now select the portrait option in the middle, portrait. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the PNG. Friends, this is the PNG. Zoom out and arrange it perfectly in this portion here. Perfect. Now tap on add photo and select the Happy Republic Day PNG. Then this is the Republic Day PNG. Scroll up. Now select the shadow option. Now select the position option and adjust to 100. Adjust to 100. Now keep on up here. Perfect. Now bring this PNG little down. Perfect. Now go to add photo and select the light PNGs. These are the light PNG. Now arrange this orange PNG here. Decrease little opacity. Arrange it here. Now tap on layers. Tap on move down. Perfect. Now select the green PNG. Arrange on the right side here. Decrease little opacity. Now tap on move down. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the standing pose model image. Pose model image. Zoom out and arrange it perfectly in the center here. Perfect. Now tap on this shadow option. Now select the position option and keep this to 100. Keep this to 100. Now select the adjust option and increase it to 100 and decrease it to 25 or 20. Perfect. Now tap on add photo and select the further PNG. These are the two PNGs. Keep this aside for a second and bring the shadow PNG under the model. Keep it perfectly like this. Now tap on layers. Now tap on move down. Perfect. Now bring this PNG to the center here and zoom out and arrange it perfectly in this portion here. Now decrease this opacity to around 50. Now zoom out. Now tap on move down. It's perfect. Now tap on eraser. Now select the eraser option. Keep this to 50. Keep this opacity to 20 and hardness to around 10. Now erase on the center portion like I am doing in the video. Erase like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Or you can decrease little opacity to around 35. Bring little down. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Next step, go to add photo and select the next PNG. These are the two PNGs. Keep the shadow PNG aside and keep this badge on the right side here. Now zoom out the shadow PNG and arrange on the left side bottom portion. Now tap on layers, tap on duplicate and arrange another one here. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. And the next step, go to brushes. Select the fourth brush and you have to select this. Now have to decrease the opacity and decrease hardness and tap here. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. And the next step, you have to go to tools option, select the adjust option and increase the saturation little bit. Okay, increase little bit and decrease little highlights, decrease little shadow and increase little clarity. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special Happy Republic Day photo editing tutorial is completed. This is the before white background and this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.